class 3rd students. This is the chapter 3. The chapter 3 is multiplication and division. Hope you people have already learned the tables. As I mentioned you, up to 9 you have to be perfect, and then from 10 onwards till 100 you can easily learn, or you get the value by using Vedic concept. Hope you people are already good in tables, because whenever you want to go with multiplication or want to go with division, tables are must. Let us start now. This is of multiplication and division. The first one is multiplying ones, tens and 100. These are some examples here. I'll just read it and I'll explain. Multiplying by zeros. We'll see first. Gopal tossed 3 rings around a peg. So this you call it as peg. You call this as peg. Gopal tossed 3 rings around a peg. For each ring that landed around the peg, so these rings are going to land right around the peg. For each ring, he scores 2 points. For 1 ring, 2 points. For 2 rings, 2 plus 2, that is 4. For 3 rings, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. We know into the additions, but now we'll change into a multiplication. With 2 points, he is getting for 3 times, for 3 rings. So 2 3s are 6. In that way, we are going to learn now. The first one here is C. There are 3 rings. How many rings are there? 3 rings. For each ring, how many points he is scoring? 2 points. So 3 rings into 2 points comes 3 2 times 6. Here you have, he could able to land rings around the peg are only 2. Each ring scores 2 points. So 2 into 2 gives you 4. In third round, he could able to place only 1 ring. So 1 into, only 2 marks he get. So 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. This is in fourth round, he was unable to place a ring. So he scored 0. So how many points? Actually 2 points, but he scored 0. So 0 into 2 is always 0. So these are the points. First one is 6, second one is 4 points. And here in third round he scored 2, and in fourth round he scored nothing. Let us do these things, okay? He scored 6 points in round 1. How much he scored in second round? This is the second round. 2 into 2. How much we got? 4. So write down here 4 points. How many points did he score in round 3? 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. So he scored 2 points. In round 4, Gopal did not manage to land any rings around the peg. Did he score any points? No. Simply write down no. This way we are going to start the multiplication system here. Let us go to the next one. Let's do this. How many cards are there on each pair of cards? Let's see. These are pair. Pair means here a word given, pair. Pair means 2. Remember that. Pair of shoes. That is 2 shoes. Okay. Similarly, 2 cards are called pair of cards. On each card, you find a picture of 3 cars. 3 cars on each card. And there are 2 cards. How many cards are there? 2 cards. So 2 cards into how many cars on each card is 3. So 2 into 3 is how much? 6. Similarly, 2 cards having 2 on it. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Here you have only 1 card. So you can go with 2 into 1. 2 is number of cards. 1 is, right, you have only one number of card. So 2 ones are 2. And here no, you have 2 cards. On that you don't find any cars. So cars are present 0 on 2 cards. So 2 into 0 is 0. In that way you are going to do it. Let's go to the next one. Multiplying here. See, I'll just tell you very simple. Very simple. 4 3 times how much? 12. We know it. Here 40 into 3. You do only one thing. You just multiply these two. 4 3 times 12 and keep this 0 here. It becomes 120. Go for next. 400 into 3. The same thing. 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12. You have 2 zeros in tens and as well as in hundreds. So keep 2 zeros here. It becomes 12 hundreds. You understood? Here given 12 ones, 12 tens and 12 hundreds. In that way we are going to do. Let's do this. Fill in the blanks. If you are good in tables, this chapter you are going to finish it within half an hour. Let me see. 9 5 times. 9 5s are 40. 40 or 45? 9 5s are 45. 45. Here the same thing. Instead of 9, if you take 90, what happens? You just whenever zeros are there, don't get panic or tension. You just multiply number to number. That is 9 5s are 45. If it is here 1 0, you keep it here 1 0. If you have 2 zeros, keep 2 zeros like in this example. 9 5s are 45 and you have 2 zeros here. Keep these 2 zeros. That is 4500 is your answer. 5 9s are how much? 45. So write down here 45. Now 9 into 5. I told you whenever zeros are there, you just relax. You multiply only number to number. 5 9s are 45. 9 5s is also 45. Write down 45. Here only 1 0. You keep it 1 0 there. Then come to this one. 5 9s are 45. 45. 2 zeros are there. Keep 2 zeros. This is your answer. In that way you are going to understand and move further. Why I am telling you in this way? Because it helps you to do multiplication in a very faster manner when you go to higher class. Come to the next one. 2 digits now. Multiplication in 2 digits. See here. I'll just do the same example. I'll explain. 12 by 4. 12 by 4. Here, 2 things I would like to share with you. The number to which another number is multiplying, or the number to which other number is getting multiplied. These two you call it as multiplicants. Multiplicants. Remember, these two you call it as multiplicants. And whatever answer you get it, you call that answer as product. Remember this, you call it as product. So first you multiply ones place with this. You have 12, number 12. Just see, this is your ones place, this is your tens place. First you multiply with right ones place value, that is 2 here. 4 2 times 8, finished. Then go to tens value. 4 ones are 4. So answer is 48. Where 8 is, if I do it like this, it comes like this. That is 8 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. That is what given, right? Tens place by 4. You get it as 40. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 40. It's over. Let's go to the next one. We'll go to this. So you multiplied first to ones place value, and then after writing the answer, then think about the next place value. So 2 4 times 8, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. As I told you, this you call it as multiplicates, and what you get as a part of answer, you call it as product. So product means multiplication, in other words. So find the product and find this kind of thing of 11 and 5. So in like this, 11 you keep it in this place, and 5 you can keep it in this place, and whatever you get, you call that as your product. Let us see 11 and 5. 11 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So the product is 55. This is your answer. Let's go to the next. We'll see even this also. 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. Write down 16 like this. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. Over. Find the product of 64 and 2. Product means multiplication, I told you. The result, what you get from multiplication, is called product. 64 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 128. So answer is 128. Let's go to the next. 3 6s are 18. Now you see. This is, please focus. Okay, listen very carefully. Now we are going into carry forward system. I'll just do it here to understand much better. This is good place. I'll write on here 16 into 3. First you are going to multiply with a number which is present in ones place, that is 6. 3 6s are 18. What answer you got? 3 6s are 18. Now 18, you just check it, which is in ones place, which is in tens place. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. So keep ones place value down and take tens place value to the next number. That is, you keep it 1 here. So now this chapter is over. Let us come to the next number. 3 1s are 3. Whatever you get it 3. You add this carry number. What you have carry number there? 1. You add that. So 3 plus 1 how much? 4. In that way you have to do it. These are the questions. It is good for practice. Listen very carefully. 3 6s are 18. 18. Ones place value I kept down, and this value I will keep it here as 1. Now 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Here also 4 3s are 12. Right? This 2 you write down ones value, and tens value you keep it on the next number. When you do this, after that you have to add that value to it. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. In that way. 4 5s are 20 you got. So keep this ones place value here, and you place this tens value in the next number. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 4 after 5 6. So 15 fours are 60. In that way we are going to do. Find the product of 16 and 4. So we'll do it here. 16 into 4. 4 6 are. First you write down answer side and just see. Ones place value you have to write down here, and tens place value you write down on the next number. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is 64. In that way you are going to do it. Let's go to the next. We'll do this. See here. Same. 5 fours are 20. When you get 2 digits value, you please don't write directly here. You first write down the side like this. And then ones place value you keep it down, and tens place value you keep it on the next number. That is 4 fives are 20. This 0 you keep it here, and 2 you carry forward to the next value. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus whatever answer you get, you have to add. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 120. Go to the next one. 3 sevens are 21. You got 2 numbers, so keep side first. 21. Ones place value you write down, and tens place value you write on the next number. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2. 9 after 10, 11. So answer is 111. Then come to this one. 4 fives are 20. Keep this ones place value right down, and tens place value you keep it on the next number. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 180. Here same. 4 eights are 32. Keep ones place down and tens place to the next number. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 is your answer. Very simple. Let's go to next. Find the product of 49 and 3. Let's do it here. 49 into 3. 9 threes are, or 3 nines are one and the same. You can multiply this to this or this to this, no problem. 3 nines are 27. So keep this 7 down and 2 up to the next number. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So it comes 147. Next, find the product of 5 and 27. We'll do it here with another color. 27 and 5. So write down 27 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. No? This 5 you write down and 3 you carry forward to the next number. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So answer is 135. Let's go to the next. Now we'll go to 3 digits number. You can all finish this. We'll see this now. I'll do each and every problem. You don't worry. You just understand it is enough. 2 ones are 2. Only single number there. You just write down. If you get double number, then you write down the side and think. One's value, you keep it down. Tens value, you carry forward to the next number as I told you. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. You got 10 here. See. 2 fives are 10. So this 0 you keep it here. And the 1 you carry to the next number. Then 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1. 9. So answer is 902. Here 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. There are no 2 numbers. Only single numbers we are getting it. So you write down directly. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 2 you write down here, 1 you carry forward to the next number. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. In that way you are going to do. Let's do D. 3 zeros are 0. Remember that in multiplication, either you multiply any number into 0, you get it 0, or you multiply 0 to any number, you get 0. Remember that always. 0 multiplied to anything gives 0, or anything you multiply to 0 always gets 0. 0. 3 twos are 6. 3 6 are 18. Come to the next problem. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are again 9. Very simple. 4 twos are 8. 4 6 are 24. Two numbers. So first you write down side in a rough column. And what is the ones place value you write down, and tens place value you carry forward to the next number. 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. This is your answer. Let's go to this one. 3 fours are 12, you got 12. So ones place value you write down, and tens place value you write upon the next number. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. You are getting 10 now. So ones place value you write down, and the tens place value you write on the next number. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 nines are 27. 27. Write ones place value down, tens place value you carry to the next number. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 2, 25, 26. You got again two numbers. So write down the ones place value 6 here, and tens place value to the next carry number. So 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 867 is your answer. We'll do the next. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. So ones place value write down here, tens place value carry to the next number. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 5, 16, 17, 18. 18. You got again two numbers. So write down ones place value down, and tens place value you carry forward to the next number. Then 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. You got 2180. If you get any doubt, please pause the video or rewind it and then watch. Definitely you are going to get a clarification about multiplication. You are not going to get clarification until unless you are good in multiplication tables. Once if you learn the tables up to 9, 1 to 9, definitely you are going to understand all these things. There is nothing. If you get two numbers, ones place value you keep it down, and tens place value you forward to the next number. Simple. In that way you have to do multiplication. Let's go to practice 1. Practice 1 now. Multiply 20 into 9. I told you, whenever you have a 0, you just forget about that for a moment. You multiply with 9, then you keep it 0. I'll do in this way. Also, I will do it in also, that is the standard way. 2 nines are 18. 0, you keep it 0 here. You got how much? 180. If we do it like this, you get the same thing. 20 into 9. 20 into 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18. You got the same thing, 180. Go to next one. 3 into 80. So 80 into 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 eights are 24. This is your answer. 500 into whichever the bigger number is, you first keep that number and then multiply with smaller number. It's going to be very easy for you. 500 is a bigger number, so write down 500 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. So answer is 2000. Here 200 into 5. So 200 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. This way. 1000 is the answer for that. Let's go to the second line here. Second row. That is E. 40 into 6. 40 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24. Very simple. Next, 5 into 10. Bigger number is 10, so write down 10, multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. You got the answer. Let us go to this. 5 into 800. So 800 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 another 0, 0, 5 eights are 40. This is your answer for this. Go to next one. 400 into 4. The same thing. The bigger number you copy first and then you multiply with the smaller number. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros 0, 4 fours are 16. This answer is 1600. Let us go to the next one. 50 into 2. I'll do it here. This 4. 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10. Answer is 100 for this. Coming to this one, 30 and 4. There are so 30 is bigger number. So 30 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 threes are 12. Answer is 120 for that. 8 into 100. So write down the bigger value and then multiply with the smaller value. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. Answer for that. Next one. 300 into 5. 300 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. Answer is 1500. We have finished the first bit, multiply. Now we'll do the second bit, multiply. Let's see. Again, we'll start here. 32 into 3. 32 into 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 for this. Come back to this one. 72 into 4. 72 into 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 sevens are 28. Answer is 288. 52 into 5. 52 into 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25 plus 1. How much? 26 is your answer. Then 58 into 2. 58 into 2. 2 eights are 16. 16 you got it. 6 you write down and 1 you carry to the next number. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. This is your answer. Now we'll go to the next E, F, G, H. 43 into 4. 43 into 4. 4 threes are how much? 12. So first one's value you write down and ten's value you carry to the next number. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17 is your answer. 75 into 3. 75 into 3. 3 fives are 15, 1. 7 threes are 21 plus 1, 22. This is your answer for this. Now come back to this. 84 into 5. 84 into 5. 5 fours are 20, no? You keep 0, 1's place value down and carry 2 to the next number. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 420 is your answer. Let us come to this one. 63 into 5. 63 into 5. 5 threes are how much? 15. 1's place value you keep it down. 10's place value you carry forward to the next number. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. This is your answer for this. So we have finished even the second bit also. Let us go to the third bit now. Multiply this also, but here you have 3 digits. Earlier you were having 2 digits, now we are having 3 digits. That is, we are entering into multiplication to hundreds value. Let's see. The first one is 300 into 4. I'll just do it here and rub it. 300 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 threes are 12. Answer is, for this is 1200. Next one is 300 and bigger number you write down and multiply with a smaller number. 3 2 times 6, 3 1 times 3, 3 times 9 is your answer for this. Then coming to 419 into 5, 419 into 5, 5 nines are 45. When you get 2 digits value, write down separately, and ones place value you keep it here, tens place value you keep it to the next number, that is 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 fours are 20. Answer for this is 2095. Let's go to the next number, that is 901 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 9 times 18. Answer for this. We'll go to the next. Next one, 3 into 508, 508. Bigger number is 508, so you copy that first and multiply with the 3. Addends, these two are addends. Either you multiply this with this to this or this with this. No problem, you get the answer same. 2 3s are, example, 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6 only. Even if it comes here, even it goes here, also you get the same value, product. So that's why don't think about that much. Let us go. You copy the big value, 508 into 3. 3 8s are 24. You got 2 numbers. So ones place value you keep it down, tens place value you carry forward to the next number. 3 zeros are 0, remains only 2, copy down, and 3 5s are 15. So answer for this is 1524, or you can say 1524. Let's go to the next number, this one, that is 312 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 is your answer for this. Then coming to the next one, 419 into 5. 5 9 times 45, you got 2 numbers. Then ones place value you write down, tens place value you keep it here, 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 fours are 20. This is your answer for this. Now coming to this one, 901 into 2. So 901 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18 is answer for this. Let's go to the second row problems. Second row problem, okay. I think we did it E, or else I'll repeat it again. I missed actually. Let's do the second row once again. 508 into 3. 3 8s are 24. Keep 4 here, ones place value down, and take 2 to the next number. 3 zeros are 0, 2, 3 5s are 15. 15, 24 for this. We'll go to this. 625 into 4. 625 into 4. 4 5s are 20. See 20. So keep 0 here and 2 next number. Keep the value on the next value. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. You got 10. 2 digits again. So keep ones place value here and tens place value here. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Got this. Let us do this one. 614 into 5. 614 into 5. 5 fours are 20. Two numbers. Keep ones place value down and tens place you keep it on the next number. Then go to the next number. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 six are 30. Answer for this one. Let's go to the next number. 901 into 5. So 901 into 2. Sorry, not 5. We'll multiply. 2 ones are 2. Sorry, we have to do this problem, right? Okay. I'll take this. 432 into 4. I'm missing it. But anyway, sorry, we'll continue here. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. You got two numbers. So keep ones place value down and tens place value. Just take it to the next number. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 1728 is your answer. Now we'll go to the third row. Finally, 781 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. You got it. So you keep ones place value here and tens place value onto the next number. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 4, 39 is your answer for this. Let us do this problem. That is 249 into 3. 3 nines are 27. No? We keep 7 ones place value down and tens place take upon the next number. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. You got 14. 4 you write down here and 1 you carry again to the next number. Then 3 twos are 6 plus 1 is 7. 747. Now next one. 361 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So keep ones place value here and tens place value there. 5 threes are 15 plus 3. 18 is your answer. Next, 968 into 4. 968 into 4. 4 eights are 32. So keep ones place value here and tens place value take down to the next number. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 how much? 27. Keep 7 down and take 2 number from the next number. Now 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. So 38 is your answer for this. You just watch the video. If you don't understand, just rewind it and again play and listen. Definitely you are going to understand this. Why I am doing so fast? Because I want to do all the problems. Instead of doing some problems and giving back other problems as a part of homework, better you listen all problems and then you do it once again without seeing in rough book. That is the way you can practice. Let's go to the next topic called quotient and remainder. Continue this in your second video. We'll come up with the second video for this chapter. In that we'll try to finish this division thing. Meanwhile, you practice again and again, at least do 2 to 3 times each problem of multiplication, what we did till now in this video. Please repeat it as a part of your homework and show me through WhatsApp and tell your parents to give some problems to you, multiplication, single numbers, double numbers and 3-digit numbers. Keep even that also doing and send me through WhatsApp. After a couple of days, I am going to upload this part, division also. Meanwhile, you finish it off, multiplication. You get confused if I teach you now in the same video, multiplication and division. You are in class 3, so I want to take a little bit time to go for it. It makes you perfect, first. Second important thing I would like to disclose here is, after completion of this chapter, we have finished 3 chapters, right? chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. You have to submit me the notes for chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Go through videos which are present in YouTube of chapter 1 and chapter 2 again and complete your fair notes. After reopening of school, I want you to present these books for correction, submit these books for correction on the first day itself and practice to the 100% level. After the reopening of school, immediately we are going to have a assignment test, or you can say unit test. In that you will have the same portion, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Please continue this, finish this, make yourself update as far as maths subject is concerned. Hope you people have understood what all I told you till now. Multiplication, I did a little bit fast because I have done all the problems. For practice, you take your time, take 2 days or 3 days, finish only multiplication. Later on, I'll upload division. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.